or provinces, from different tribes, different dialects. So we have Tagalog, Maguindanon, Quiranon, Bisaya, Iburay. So we have in different languages. We are here at you have 13 students who are born Muslims. And we are 25 who are reverts, came from different religions. We are here gathered by Allah, here just to receive such beautiful gifts, the gift of Islam, the gift of learning such beautiful Quran. We are humbly proud to be given a chance to be your students. No more gifts greater than this, the knowledge that we learn from you. This is the gift. Your gift to us, the knowledge that we can teach our generation in our homeland, Philippines. Inshallah. Okay, and now, we thank you so much for this, Abla. Let us hear from another student, a new student. She just joined Qaeda Anuraniya recently. Let us all welcome Maria Adoracion Juson.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And pray, my Lord, increase me in knowledge, from Surah Taha, verse 114. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My beloved sisters, finally we made it. It is indeed my honor and privilege to speak in front of you in this momentous occasion, our graduation rites. In most challenging short span of time, we have learned all the applicable rules by heart on how to recite Quran properly and spell the words correctly, or tahajji in Arabic, hope I pronounce it correctly. Those sleepless nights were indeed worth it, as we now fully understood the basic concept of the course Aqaidah Nuraniyah. Of course, the struggles were real for all of us, especially for the beginners or newcomer like me. However, we don't lose hope. We kept on studying, learning with joyous heart until we grasped the whole context. I had even witnessed the crying moments, the tears of joy, like we are witnessing right now, the tears of fulfillment that truly made us feel proud of. Now, who can enumerate at this moment of time all the rules? Please raise your right hand. From Damatin, Kasratin, Fathatin, to Shadda, to the sun and moon letters, Lam, Shamsiya, Lam, Kamaliya, and many more. I am confident that those are forever instilled in our hearts. And in fact, applying this knowledge by sharing or teaching with others will be our highest accomplishment to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I believe you all agree, right? Are you with me?
Yes.
So moving on, our heartfelt thanks goes to Abla Mufida for her dedication and relentless commitment to deliver the course wholeheartedly with a true sense of purpose for the benefit of all new and born Muslim women by spreading the wisdom given by Allah. Abla Mufida, you made us feel privileged, made us feel at home. We do feel appreciated, uplifted by our emotions, valued by our hard work, and inspired as well by our empowering stories, which strengthened our faith. Once again, our sincerest gratitude to you. To the KPCC headed by Ustaza Halima Mantawil, thank you for your active support, guidance, and encouragement. Without your untiring effort, today's dream, our graduation ceremony, will not be materialized. And to my dear and amazing classmates, sister in Islam, who have been with me on this learning journey, this is not the end, but a new beginning. Let us continue to share, to pursue, seek knowledge, and embody the true Islamic way of life. Mabruk and congratulations to all of us.